Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming hardware. Check if your laptop supports HDMI in. Most do not, so plan for a USB 3.0 capture device. Once done, plug capture into a rear USB 3.0 port or powered hub and connect the console HDMI to the capture input. Make sure laptop power settings are set to high performance and that GPU drivers are updated. This reduces latency and dropped frames. You want a stable baseline before moving to signal routing and software configuration, so don't skip. Next, you configure the capture software. Select the device, set input resolution to match the console, 1080p at 60 FPS is common, and choose the capture audio source. Once selected, enable hardware accelerated encoding if available to lower CPU load. This matters for smooth gameplay. Make sure pass-through or low latency mode is enabled on your capture device if you need a live monitor. Then adjust bitrate and scaling based on whether you will record or stream. Higher bitrate for recordings, slightly lower for live streams to avoid stutter. Finally, you run a full test. Launch a game, observe latency, check audio sync, and tweak buffer size so video and sound align. If you plan to stream, configure overlays and stream key now, otherwise set recording path and format. Make sure to save presets so you can reuse settings. One key troubleshooting tip: if you get no signal, first swap HDMI cables and ports, then power cycle console and capture. If still failing, check device drivers and USB bandwidth. Conflicting devices often cause dropped frames.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.